Alright guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a multiple versions of same design using this free AI tool. Okay, the website name is playground.com. Go to this website, sign up with your email ID. Then after that, click on this option, start design from image. Click on it, upload your design there. Okay, then you can see here I upload the one design and it will generate me the four type of designs by just typing. I'm going to select like this cuteness effect. हो गई पढ़ाई खत्म. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna select this one and it will generate the another design for me, and I will type something. And all right, it changed the design from one type to different type. And yeah, I can also change it from this to add, change text, change, replace, or whatever I want to. I will write it in such a way that it looks like a book. Okay, then click on create. It will start generating the new output by just writing the same text. Okay, let's see what it creates. You can also just click on share button, then after that click on download option, or you can also copy the link from here. Okay, click on download, it start downloading. You can download it without watermark. Here you will see it will change the whole gaya into book. Okay, you can see the change here, or I can change it like write it in such a way that it looks like a school with change the text color into white. Okay, then I will create it. So here you can see again it creates the design, but was not able to change it in such a way that it looks like a school. Okay, so, but it changed the color of the text. You can again click on share button, then after that click on download. Okay, so you can use this website by just changing the versions of your design and whatever you likes it, or you can also click on apply style, then after that click on cyber cozy, urban hues. Just try any one of them, futuristic clean. Let's see what it creates. Let's see what it's. Oh my god, हो गई पढ़ाई खत्म, हो गई पढ़ाई खत्म. So it makes it realistic. So try this website and follow for more videos like this. It depends on you how you're going to write a prompt there. Okay, try this and follow for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.